Today we have the iPhone SE 3rd generation with a screen that needs to be replaced. So we're just going to remove the screen, disconnect the battery, pop off all the screen connectors. Now that the screen is off, we can now take off the earpiece bracket and remove the earpiece. Use a little heat and then we'll remove the home button at the bottom. Get the new screen. Place the home button on the new screen. Then replace the ear speaker and ear speaker assembly. Make sure that we also apply the new adhesive. Plug in the ear speaker and then plug in the screen connectors. Plug in the battery, test out the screen. Now we're replacing the brackets and everything's good to go. Let us know what you would like to see us repair next.